Highlighting technique, braiding. Colored hair is in fashion these days. Young and old, men and women experiment with hair colors to enhance their looks. Coloring hair selectively is known as highlighting. Highlights add depth to hair. Today, we shall cover one of the highlighting techniques, that is braiding. This style best suits those who have wavy or curly hair, as hair streaks do not look good on such hair. Generally, this style is used by pastry celebrities and models. Preparation. Consult the client and check client's preferred color for braiding. Show her the shade card to select a color shade. Before beginning to color the hair of the client, wash your hands thoroughly and examine the client's scalp and ensure that there are no boils, blisters, rashes or open wounds. Remember, before starting any hair service, it is important to analyze the hair for porosity, texture, elasticity and stream. Set the trolley with the required material for easy access while coloring hair. Drape the client properly. Before beginning to color hair, make sure that the hair is clean and completely dry. Sectioning of hair. Start by sectioning the hair with the tail comb. Create a center parting and an ear-to-ear parting. Finally, create a center parting at the back. Managing hair sections. Start from the nape area and make a 3-strand braid for each triangle created. Make sure that all the strands in a braid are of equal size. Otherwise, the coloring will be uneven. Remember to braid the hair tight. This will prevent the color from seeping into the braids. We will be creating triangular sections on the whole head using the zigzag technique. Begin with the back right section. Comb the client's hair. Make a 3-strand braid for each triangle created. Make sure that all the strands in a braid are of equal size. Otherwise, the coloring will be uneven. Secure all the braids with rubber bands. Remember to braid the hair tight. This will prevent the color from seeping into the braids. Mixing of products. Choose the desired shade. Mix the desired color with 20, 30, 40 volume of the developer in the ratio of 1:4. Application of color. Take a braid. Apply color from the top of the braid. Continue to do so up to the end of the braid. Remember to leave a gap of 1 to 1.5 inch from the roots while coloring the braid. Once the braid is completely colored, wrap a foil paper around it and leave it for processing for 35 minutes. If you are using a pre-lightener, we need to check the highlights visually after 10 minutes. After 15 minutes, check the color. Manually remove the foil paper, and if the color is visible on one or two strands, and leave the strands on which the color still needs to take effect. Follow the same procedure for all the braids. Rinsing. If the desired color is achieved, take the client to the shampoo station. While rinsing and washing, make sure that the temperature of water is comfortable for the client. Rinse the color properly with lukewarm water. Once the color is washed away, open the braids. Shampoo the hair with a color care shampoo and apply conditioner. Leave it for 3 to 5 minutes and rinse it properly. Use power dose and mask if the client's hair is damaged. Wrap a towel around the hair and move the client to a workstation. Apply hair serum on the client's hair. Highlighted hair looks more interesting. Highlights rejuvenate hair and make a person look and feel a lot younger than his actual age. Do's and don'ts. Do not color hair if the scalp is unhealthy or infected. Always check the natural hair color and confirm the desired color before starting the service. Take equal sections while braiding the hair, otherwise the highlights will be uneven. Mix the color and the developer in the appropriate ratio. Apply the color evenly. Advise the client to use color serum, color care shampoo and conditioner.